Caitlin spent some of her money on a dress and pair of shoes and some neckties. She spent 1/5 of her money and an additional 119 on a dress, and then next she spent 27 of the remaining, an additional $29 on a pair of shoes. And then next thing that is very interesting is you get to know that she spent 2/3 of what she had left. Yeah. So in a sense, this is also like remaining, okay, on some neckties, and had $12 left. Okay, so you can see that this is actually a remainder concept because of the keywords remaining. Yeah, remainder. I would say it's type 2 or 3 because of this word additional. Yeah, so normally when you see the word remaining plus additional, you need to do a pull down. Okay, so this is what we meant by, if you know the keywords and the concepts, you can know the method, and it's that fast. So if your child is pretty much stuck in knowing or deciding on the spot what to do, and then in the end spending a lot of time to decide on how to start, probably his problem solving process skills is not that strong. So you really want him to understand problem sums types and how to recognize the keywords, and how do you decide what to use to solve the question right from the start. Okay, so again, as I mentioned, it's a pull down, so meaning that you have a long one and a short one. And then we have let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, not very nice, but you get the points. Yeah. Then 1/5 plus an additional, so this is $19. Okay, and this is on the dress. Okay, this is on the dress. Okay, then this will be the remainder. Okay, remainder. Now next, she spends 27 of the remaining. Again, pull down. So this is a pull down. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then so 27 plus 29 on a pair of shoes. Okay, shoes. Then finally she spent 2/3 of what she has left. So what she has left is here. So this is like 3-tier remainder concept question. So this is what's left. In fact, you can also label them as remainder 2 or left in this case, and this is remainder 1. So what's left will be 2/3. Okay, again 2/3, and then she spent 2/3 on necktie and $12 left. Okay, great. So right now I'm going to start, and let's name this as units. Yeah. Again, for remainder concept, the funny thing, or what already works is, because you know that it's pull down, and to solve it you need to just work in the reverse manner, which is going up. So by coming down twice, you need to know that you need to go back up twice. Yeah, to find what is how much she has at first, which is the whole thing. Yeah, the whole thing. So let's work upwards. So 3 units is equals to 3 times 12, which is $36. So meaning that this one is the whole thing. Yeah, and let's name them as parts. Okay, parts. We don't want to call them units to reduce the confusion of when I say that. Okay, let's say I ask for units. If let's say I call both of them units, and I say, okay, can you give me the value of 1 unit? You may be wondering which one am I referring to? Is it this from here, or is it from here? So normally what I'll do is we want to give them different names. Yeah. So and can you see that I intentionally draw P by having this line cut through P is to really to tell you that this one part is made out of what you have on the right side and plus 29 as well. Okay, so this whole box here is one part. Okay, I see many kids write one part here, so they got confused because they may think that one part is 29, which is not true. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 parts is actually 36, the pink one, plus 29. So 36 plus 29, which is 65. Okay, and we always need to find the value of one part. So 65 divided by 5 is 13. And then we need to find the whole stretch again, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because it's 2 out of 7. Okay, 2 out of 7. So we have 7 parts is equals to 7 times 13, which is 91. Okay, so now again, because this is a 3-tier model, what should I name the top as? Maybe let's call it box. Okay, I'm sure you have a better name, but for now, because this is a very this is a live solving process, I need to be fast as well. Yeah, so can you see that 4 boxes is actually equals to from here to here, you can find that we have found that it's already 91. So 4 boxes is actually 19 plus 91. Yeah, so 19 plus 91 is equals to 110. And again, we need to find the value of one box, which is 27.5. And to find at first, it will be 5 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also because of 1/5. So 5 boxes is equals to 5 times 27.5, which is 137.50. Okay.